Dinner doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With a few easy recipes, you can create satisfying meals that will delight your family or guests. Starting with pasta dishes, one of the simplest, yet most versatile options is spaghetti aglio e olio. This dish requires just a few ingredients: spaghetti, garlic, olive oil, chili flakes, and parsley. Cook the spaghetti according to package instructions. Sauté minced garlic in olive oil until golden, toss in the spaghetti, and sprinkle with chili flakes and fresh parsley for a flavorful dinner. Another quick recipe is a stir-fry. Just grab any vegetables you have in your fridge: bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, and some protein like chicken or tofu. Begin by heating oil in a pan, adding your protein until it's cooked through, then toss in your vegetables. Season with soy sauce or teriyaki for a deliciously satisfying meal. Serve over steamed rice or noodles for a complete dish that comes together in mere minutes. For those craving comfort food, consider making a creamy risotto. Begin by gently sautéing onions in butter, then slowly incorporate arborio rice. Stir continuously and gradually add warm broth until the rice is creamy and tender. Finish with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese and a handful of peas or mushrooms for added texture and flavor. This dish is perfect for impressing dinner guests with minimal effort. If you're looking for something light, a fresh salad can be very fulfilling. Use a base of mixed greens, add cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and nuts for a crunch. Toss it all together with a homemade vinaigrette made from olive oil, vinegar, mustard, and honey. Add grilled chicken or chickpeas for protein, turning the salad into a satisfying dinner option. Finally, don't overlook the power of sheet pan meals. Simply arrange your choice of vegetables, like zucchini, bell peppers, and potatoes, along with seasoned chicken breasts on a single baking sheet. Drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle with herbs, and roast until everything is cooked through. This effortless technique minimizes cleanup while delivering a hearty meal. With these easy dinner recipes, you'll discover that cooking at home can be both enjoyable and rewarding. Embrace creativity in the kitchen, and don't hesitate to customize these dishes based on personal tastes and what you have on hand. Dinner can be deliciously simple, encouraging moments of sharing and connection around the table.